Hello everyone, I'm Chef Christy and welcome to my channel where I share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like my videos. Now today's recipe is a quick and easy meal, and it is another one of my skillet meals, and I love these recipes because they're so easy and they're all made in a skillet. And this one, you guys will really want to try this one because it is phenomenal. It is for a Cajun Chicken Alfredo. Did you hear what I just said? Cajun Chicken Alfredo. It is delicious and it's all made in a skillet. One skillet. So let me go over these ingredients with you and we're gonna get started. Okay, so here is the ingredients. We have chicken breasts that I have cut up into pieces. I've got 2 cups of chicken broth, a cup of heavy cream. I've cut up a bell pepper and an onion, garlic, but you'll need about a couple tablespoons of butter, Cajun seasoning, and then this is a parmesan, romano, asiago cheese blend, and then this is a gouda, and then salt and pepper, and then your pasta of your choice. So, oh, and then tomatoes. I about forgot. These are little grape tomatoes, and it was just a pint that I cut in half. Okay, so to my chicken, I'm just going to sprinkle in some Cajun seasoning, some salt, and pepper. Okay, to a very hot iron skillet, I added about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm just going to place my chicken and let it cook until it all gets nice and done. Okay, once your chicken is completely done, you're going to remove it from the skillet. Okay, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and add my peppers and onions and let these saute just for a couple minutes until they begin to soften. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add this is a very large clove of garlic, but you could add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Then you're going to want to add your chicken broth and your heavy cream, the rest of your Cajun seasoning, and then you want this to come up to a boil. Okay, so once this begins to boil, I'm going to add my pasta. And today I'm going to use a linguine, but you could use fettuccine or even a penne. Once you get your pasta in, you're going to want to cover your lid, and then every so often you've got to kind of work with it just a little bit. Just stirring my pasta. Just gotta stir it every so often. Okay, I went ahead and added a total of 4 cups of the chicken broth into my pasta because I really felt like I needed some additional liquid. I really like a creamy Alfredo. But let me show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I'm going to add my chicken back in to my pasta. And I'm also going to add my tomatoes. And now I'm going to begin to sprinkle in this cheese just a little bit at a time. Now goes the gouda, which is such a good melting cheese. Okay, let me just say that this Cajun Chicken Alfredo is creamy, cheesy, it's full of flavor. It is delicious. You're going to love it and you're going to want to try it. And it's all made in one skillet. I love that. That is such an easy cleanup. It just makes things so nice. So I've got to try this, but I need to get a fork. That is delicious. I really hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.